Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Learning Accounts with Veena. I am really sorry that I haven't posted video so long. Due to some personal work, I was very busy. Today's video is for class 12, comparative statements. Comparative statements may be done for profit and loss, income statement, and for position statement, that is balance sheet. Question number 1 is, from the following balance sheet of Vinayak Limited as at 31st March 2019, prepare a comparative statement. This Vinayak Limited balance sheet as at 31st March 2019. Current year figures are shown first and previous year figures are shown afterwards. This is the format of balance sheet, company's balance sheet. Okay. Let me solve this question. First of all, you have to write heading comparative balance sheet of Vinayak Limited as at 31st March. We are comparing for 2 years, so you have to write 2018 and 2019. Okay. Then particulars, note number, and this is previous year. Remember one thing, as per CBSE guidelines, previous year is to be shown first, then current year. Okay. Then absolute change, whether it is increase or decrease. Then percentage change of increase and decrease in assets and liabilities. Okay. Then this and current year is B, and absolute change is B minus A, means current year minus previous year figures. Okay, this comes to C. And then how will you calculate percentage? This is C. C divided by A multiplied by 100. For calculating percentage, you have to multiply by 100. Okay, in this way you can find out these two column figure. Then come to format. Format is already given in this question. Sometimes it is not given in proper format, then you have to prepare format yourself. Okay. Then equity and liabilities. This is the question. Equity and liabilities. Then subhead is shareholder fund. And under shareholder fund you have to write share capital and reserves and surpluses. Then non-current liabilities and current liabilities. Okay. I am writing previous year figures. I have already written from here. Look, 2018 20 lakh, share capital, reserves and surpluses 2 lakh, and then long term borrowings 2 lakh, and trade payables, current liabilities 1 lakh. Okay. Now I am putting figure of current year. Share capital is 21 lakh. And next is reserves and surpluses. This is 2,30,000. Then long term borrowings 5,60,000. Then trade payables is 2,80,000. Total is how much? It is given in the question itself, 31,70,000. Okay. Then come to asset side. Asset side mein non-current assets are, fixed assets and tangible assets are 21 lakh in current year. See this. I am writing these figures in this column because current year we have to write afterwards, 21 lakh. Then intangible assets are of rupees 3 lakh. Then inventories 5,60,000. Then cash and cash equivalents 2,10,000. Total comes to 31,70,000. As you already know, as liabilities are always equal to assets. Now you have to find out difference. absolute change. Absolute change, you have to deduct previous year figures from current year. So there is an increase of 1 lakh. 2 lakh 30 minus 2 lakh is 30,000. 5 lakh 60 minus 2 lakh 3 lakh 60. 2 lakh 80 minus 1 lakh is 1 lakh 80,000. Next 21 minus 20, 1 lakh. 3 lakh minus 2 lakh 1 lakh. 5 lakh 60 minus 2 lakh is 3 lakh 60. And then 210 minus 1 lakh is equal to 110. Total of this column is 6 lakh 70 and total of asset side is also 6 lakh 70. Now come to how do you calculate percentage change? You have to calculate this 1 lakh divided by 20 lakh multiply by 100 because you have to find out percentage. Here I have already calculated 1 lakh divided by 20 lakh into 100. It is 5%. 1000 divided by previous year is the base. Okay. So you have to divide all absolute change by previous year figures of same type. 3 lakh 30 divided by 2 lakh into 100 is equal to 15%. Then 3 lakh 60 divided by 2 lakh into 100 is equal to 180. Then this 180 divided by 1 lakh previous year figure into 100 is equal to 180. Non-current assets. Fixed assets are tangible assets. There is change. Absolute change is 1 lakh. Base year is 2018. So this divided by this into 100 is 5%. And intangible assets, absolute change in intangible asset is 1 lakh divided by 2 lakh into 100 is 50. And then current assets inventory is 3 lakh 60 divided by 2 lakh into 100 is 180. And then 1 lakh 10 divided by previous year figure, that is 1 lakh into 100 is 110, cash and cash equivalents. In the same way, equity and liabilities, total of equity and liabilities is previous year is 25 lakh, current year is 3170 and absolute change is 6 lakh 70. So in this case also you have to find out percentage like this. 6 lakh 70 divided by 25 lakh 100 is equal to 26.8%. Okay. You have to calculate like this. And in the same way, on asset side, total of assets in previous year is 25 lakh and in current year is 31 lakh 70,000. Absolute change in assets is 6 lakh 70. This minus this. Now you have to find out percentage like this. 6 lakh 70 absolute change divided by previous year figure 25 lakh into 100 is equal to 26.8. In this way you have to compare. In this way you can compare balance sheet with that of previous year. Current year balance sheet with that of previous year. Okay. Now, let me explain with another example, that is from profit and loss statement or income statement. So comparative statement of profit and loss for the year ended. There are 2 years are given, 2019 and 20. So you have to write 31st March 2019 and 2020. This is the format: particulars, previous year, this is current year, absolute change and percentage change. Okay, for revenue from operation, this is given as 20 lakh in previous year. See this. In this question, current year is given, previous year is already given first and current year is given afterwards. So you have to copy these figures like as same. Revenue from operation 20 lakh and in current year it is 25 lakh. Expenses, cost of material consumed is 10 lakh in previous year and in current year it is 13 lakh. Okay. Other expenses are in previous year there is no expense, and in current year it is 1,20,000. Okay. Tax rate is 50% and 50% in both the cases. This is the question. Now you have to find out absolute change is 25 lakh minus 2 lakh is equal to 5 lakh. Then 13 lakh minus 10 lakh, 3 lakh. 1 lakh minus nil is equal to 1,20,000. Now how will you calculate percentage? This is absolute change 5 lakh. Base year is again previous year 20 lakh into 100. Okay. So this comes to 25%. You have to write percentage above and then write 25. Okay, next is 3 lakh divided by 10 lakh. 3 lakh divided by 10 lakh into 100 is equal to 30%. And next 1,20,000 divided by nil into 100 is equal to nil is 30 lakh. Total expenses in previous year is 10 lakh. And in current year it is 14,20,000. Total of this is 4,20,000. And percentage you have to calculate like this. 4,20,000 divided by 10 lakh multiply by 100. It is 42%. Percentage I have already written here. Okay, then profit before tax is how much? This revenue minus total expenses is equal to profit. 1 minus 2 is equal to profit. 20 lakh minus 10 lakh is 10 lakh. This 25 lakh minus 14 lakh 20 is 10 lakh 80. And 5 lakh minus 420 is equal to 80,000. Again percentage, how will you calculate percentage of absolute change? 80,000 divided by 10 lakh into 100. It is 8. Next, less tax is 50%. 50% of profit is 5 lakh. Here it is 5,40,000. Absolute change is this minus this is equal to 40,000. 40,000 divided by previous year tax, that is 5 lakh into 100 is equal to 8. Okay. Now profit after tax is third. This is profit less tax is equal to 5 lakh. 10 lakh 80 minus 540 is equal to 5 lakh 40. And this is 80 minus 40, 40,000. Again you have to find out percentage. 40,000 divided by 5 lakh into 100 is equal to 8. This is all about comparative statements